Welcome everyone. My clock probably is larger than yours, and by the end of this video, we're all going to have the same size. You can see, look at that small clock. We're going to make it larger or make it smaller if we want to as well. So the first step to change the clock size, make it larger, is from your home screen. I want you to swipe down from the very middle. Then we're going to long press on the empty space. We will then tap Customize to edit our existing lock screen. And there might be a problem that arises, which you don't have the option to increase the size. So you don't have the option here, just no way to increase the size. And so all you need to do to fix this is tap on the clock and just choose the default clock, which is on the left. So this default clock, once I tap X, gives us the option. There we go. I'm increasing my clock size. We now all have the exact same size clock. But you can change the size just like this with your finger. If you change the font style of that clock, it will not let you make it bigger. It's only that default clock style. And I'm assuming that is where many of you may go wrong. But now you won't go wrong. So real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. And so if you found this video useful, it would really mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below, especially if your clock is as big as mine. And also just leave a comment saying, wow, this video was really useful, thanks. And if it wasn't somehow, just let me know in that comment section. I'll try and get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day and enjoy your clock. Bye-bye.